Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, children. So, today we are going to learn our second chapter, that is adaptation in animals and plants. So, take out page number 153 in your science readers. Let's start our lesson. Adaptation in animals and plants. Adaptation is the physical or behavioral characteristic of an organism that help an organism to survive better in its surrounding environment. Right? This is the definition of adaptation. Now next, let's say this. Animals and birds live in habitats. Habitat means the natural home or the environment of an animals, plants or other organism that suit them. The habitats provides them with the food, water and shelters. The animals have physical features specially adapted to their habitats and their feeding habits, such as birds' beak and a tiger claws means शेर का पंचा जो बोलते हैं ना वो. Let's see first adaptation. Animals and plants are found in all kind of environments, right? We are finding the animals and plants in our surroundings and in all kinds of climatic regions, on land and in water also. We are seeing that the animals and plants on both, on the land also, in the water also. Over thousands of years, they have developed certain features that enable them to live in their environment. In fact, the basic principle of nature is survival of the fittest. Survival of fittest means a situation in which only the strongest people or things continue live or be successful while the others die or fails. So, to survive, animals and plants have to be fit and be able to adapt themselves to their surroundings. Right? So here we have some adaptation features in animals. Let's see what are the features.
Camouflage. It is a special kind of adaptation in which an animal's color or shape matches its surroundings. Chameleons can change their body color to match that of their surroundings.
See, the first one, defensive mechanism as seen in the skunk, which squirts a foul-smelling liquid to chase away enemies. As you can see here, the picture, this is the skunk. It has the foul-smelling liquid to chase away his enemies. Right? So next one is special body parts such as the hedgehog's bristles, which it uses to defend itself. Hedgehog have the special body part. It has the prickly spines on his body. Except his face, he has the prickly spines on his whole body except his face. By that, it defend itself from his enemies. Animals that prey or hunt other animals such as lion, tiger, leopard have sharp teeth, right? They have the sharp teeth, claws, and they have the claws also. Animals preyed upon or hunted such as deer, buffalo and antelope have horns to protect themselves, right? They have the horns to protect themselves. Next, camouflage. The stoat is usually reddish brown in color, but in the northern latitudes where it snows during winter, the stoat has a snowy white fur coat that blends with the background. This is called the camouflage, a type of adaptation. The next, chameleon. Change their color. Chameleon can change their color according to their background. It is a kind of camouflage that helps them to hide from their predators. It helps them to hide themselves from their predators. The mosaic frog also merges into its background. The striped zebra merges with the long savanna grass. The stick insect looks like a stick, so birds do not try to eat it. These are the special features which the animals have and they get help